Hi, I'm Yaz, your artsy BFF. I make videos to inspire, educate, and empower you to create. Today, we're talking about something every artist struggles with at some point: how to find your art style. Whether you're just starting out or you've been making art for a while and feel all over the place, this video is going to help you clarify, explore, and uncover the style that feels true to you. First things first, let's just take the pressure off. Your art style is not something you decide. It's something that emerges naturally. Trying to force a style too early can box you in before you've had the chance to explore. Instead of asking, what should my style be? Try asking, what do I enjoy making? What feels natural? Remember, your style isn't just about how your art looks. It's also about what you choose to say through your work, your medium, your colors, and your process. To find your style, you've got to explore, like really explore. Try different mediums: acrylics, watercolors, pastels, collage, detailed line work versus loose expressive strokes, realism versus abstract. Every time you try something new, you're collecting data. You're learning what feels right, what excites you, and what doesn't. I used to think I had to commit to one medium to be taken seriously, but honestly, trying everything helped me understand myself as an artist so much more. Make a folder or a Pinterest board of all of the art you're drawn to. Don't think about why, just save it. Then look for patterns. Drawn to soft colors or bold contrasts, the work detailed or minimalistic, the subject's emotional, playful, surreal. These clues help you define your visual language. Think of it as building your artistic vocabulary. Here's the real truth: your art style shows up when you make a lot of art, almost like an embarrassing amount. You can't think your way into a style, you have to create your way into it. Set challenges for yourself. Make 30 pieces in 30 days. Pick a theme and stick to it for a month. The more you create, the more natural decisions you'll start making. Those are your style emerging. And from my experience, your style will definitely shift over time. That's not only okay, it's a sign that you're growing. When I look back at my old work, I can see phases: my mixed media phase, my dull color era, and now I'm leaning more into expressive landscapes and abstract symbolism. Every season taught me something and led me to where I am now. Your style doesn't have to be static. It really is a living thing that grows as you grow. To recap, let go of the pressure to have a style, explore different mediums and techniques, study the art you love, make a lot of artwork and reflect on it, and let your style grow with you. Art style is already inside you. It just needs space, time, and repetition to reveal itself. If this helped you, I'd love to hear where you are in your art journey. Drop a comment below and tell me what you're currently experimenting with. And for more helpful artist advice videos like this one, click this playlist here. And if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to help support this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Happy arting!